We get loads of questions about how the ticket system works at Fallow and how we run a service. So I'm going to show you how the tickets come from waiter through to the pass, off the pass. Here's Federico taking the order now. Right, so we have 3 printers in the kitchen. 4 if you include pastry. So this order just came on. This is probably a standard order. So it's corn, mushroom parfait, cod's head, sirloin and sides. So the main ticket that comes through to the lead pass is this one. That's got all the elements on. And as soon as it comes on, the guy on the lead pass will get the cold larder work in that, we'll get the hot larder work in that, and call that on. Coming out of the other printer is just the snacks and what the hot larder has on order. So the hot larder is responsible for the corn and the cod's head. So that's the information he needs to know. So that stays there. This comes through to the meat printer. So it comes out of here and gets put here. And then what we'll do is, as the food goes from the pass, we'll send the corn, we'll send the parfait, we'll wait to see if it's clear, so we'll usually just look at the table to see if it's clear, send a cod's head, and then this ticket moves across. So that means that all of the first courses have gone, and then they're basically on hold on their mains. So it joins the queue back here.
I need two cabbage on there. Good one.
So from here, you can see we've got quite a lot of tickets away. So realistically, you know that it's going to be at least 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 18 to 25 minutes for this sirloin. So that's time for them to eat their cod's head, clear the cod's head, and then get reset. The waiters get fresh cutlery on the table, and then we can start cooking that. So ideally, the guy on the grill gets the steak on as soon as he knows, so it's got at least 45 minutes to cook. So it's 10 to 15 minutes to eat their starters, 10 to 15, maybe 20 to eat their cod's head, a little bit of time to reset, and by that time the steak has had at least 45 minutes to rest, and it comes up to the pass with the fries and the greens. And that's one ticket complete. So the flow of the kitchen all works from this side to this side. Information on the ticket is table number, then we've got the time that it comes on. That means that we can track where it went across and where it went away. Then you've got the course breaks. So each course, the waiter can signify away course 1, away course 2, away course 3. We've got obviously the full food order, and then we've got the initials of the waiter who took the order. So if there's a problem with the table, we can always catch up with Federico and ask the status of it. And then again, you've just got one timestamp at the bottom and the number again. If we have a dietary on, as we do here, we have an egg allergy. So we highlight the egg allergy for the position number of the person. P3 has an egg allergy. We highlight the egg allergy on the sirloin because it's normally served with eggs, so we know not to serve it with that certain thing. And then that means that we'll never ever miss it.